Turmoil erupted during the Delhi Assembly polls with the allegations of fake voting, sloganeering and police interference shaking several constituencies. Hi, my name is Sneha Biswas and you are watching the Free Press Journal. Delhi witnessed significant unrest and controversy during the ongoing assembly polls for the 70 seats. The situation escalated across several constituencies as political parties, particularly the Bharatiya Janata Party and the Aam Aadmi Party, exchanged allegations of foul play, voter manipulation and interference by the authorities. Here's a breakdown of the key incidents that marked the election day. The Seelampur constituency became a flashpoint of tension as BJP accused women in burqas of casting fake votes. This led to a confrontation between BJP and AAP workers who began sloganeering and clashed with each other. Despite the heated atmosphere, reports indicate that no injuries were sustained during the scuffle. In Seelampur, AAP's Chaudhry Zubair Ahmed is up against Anil Gaur of the BJP and Congress's Abdul Rahman, who had won the seat in 2020 on the AAP ticket. The BJP's claims of fraudulent voting in this region have added further fuel to the fire. In Jangpura, a tense situation arose when AAP leader and former Deputy CM Manish Sisodia accused the BJP of distributing money to voters. He claimed that the voters were being brought to a building adjacent to the BJP booth in exchange for cash. The situation intensified as both AAP and BJP workers clashed with slogans. The Delhi police, however, swiftly rebutted Sisodia's claims. A statement from the police clarified that the allegations regarding the distribution of money could not be substantiated. The situation is under control and the confusion has been cleared, said the police. Despite the clarification, AAP continued to voice its concerns. The party took to social media accusing the BJP of attempting to influence voters by offering bribes. Sisodia demanded action from the Election Commission, asking why raids were not being conducted at the alleged location where money was being distributed. The controversy continued to unfold in the Greater Kailash constituency, where AAP's Saurabh Bharadwaj accused the Delhi police of preventing voters from reaching polling stations. Specifically, Bharadwaj alleged that barricades were being put up to obstruct the movement of the voters in the Chirag Delhi area. He also claimed that the police were targeting polling booths with strong AAP support. In response to these allegations, South Delhi's DCP Ankit Chauhan explained that cars were only allowed inside polling stations for voters with mobility issues. He assured the public that the situation would be investigated, especially in the areas raised by Bharadwaj. The Delhi Assembly elections have been marred by a series of allegations and confrontations, from claims of fake voting and money distribution to accusation of police interference. While the Delhi police have denied the allegations of foul play and violence, the tense atmosphere in several constituencies continues to raise questions about the transparency of the electoral process. So what do you all think? Is AAP intentionally stirring up things, or were the electoral processes genuinely disrupted? Drop your thoughts in the comment section below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Free Press Journal.